Hi, Travel Kid here. I'm gonna wrap up my visit to Universal CityWalk at the Center Court Fountain. Lights, water, action. Can you find the sequence of the water? Is there even a sequence? Tell me in the comments. Do you think I can get through this watery maze without getting wet? Do you think I even want to? In my opinion, getting wet is part of the fun. This was the absolutely perfect end to my day, even if I did get a little wet. I'll be taking some time off for the summer, so I can rest, relax, and of course, plan my next adventures. I hope you have an awesome summer. Well, thanks for watching. Bye!